Hey there, it's Sarah with Audio Video Charlotte. We're here to talk about crystal clear controllable music with DVC speakers. We have Barry Clark, our installation expert, here to take it away.
Sometimes the jobs turn out way cooler than you think when you're working on a rooftop deck.
When a builder doesn't know the ins and outs about audio video installation, that's where we come in. Listen to Barry as he walks us through the old speaker problem.
Put up what's called a DVC, a dual voice coil, or a stereo summing speaker, but only wire it with one 16-2. That's a 16 gauge 2 conductor, so only half the speaker plays, so we only get the left or right channel.
Unfortunately for our client, that speaker died because it wasn't properly sealed or installed with the right wiring. So we fixed it.
And so it got replaced with a brand new dual voice coil DVC stereo summing speaker, wired with the correct 16.4 back to this brand new installed stereo volume control. And so we can regulate the music here. So when we're sitting out on this deck on a beautiful spring day like today, we can have crystal clear, controllable music.
This DVC, or Dual Voice Coil, outdoor speaker installation was a fun one, completed safely and done right. Thanks again for watching. Please check us out at audiovideocharlotte.com, as well as follow us on social media. Have a great day.